how to diamond lace low top Converse. Start by taking your lace and we're going to thread it through the two very bottom eyelets here. Now we're going to go into this one from above, and then we're going to come up through this one from underneath. Just like that. Make sure there's no twists. Go ahead and pull your laces through. Now you just want to take a minute to adjust them, make sure they're the same length before we carry on. Remember, you can play this video on half speed or you can pause it as much as you like. There's no rush, just follow along with me slowly. Then we're going to go ahead and take this lace and we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and into the third hole up from the bottom on this side. And we're going to go down into it from above, just like this. Great, pop that one out of the way. Now grab a hold of this one and we're going to bring this one over the sneaker tongue and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom on this side as well. Make sure you're going down into these from above. Now we have these empty eyelets here. What we're going to do is we're going to take this lace and we're going to make sure we're threading it underneath the little X we've done, and we're going to bring it up into that empty eyelet from underneath, just like that. And then we're going to do the exact same on the other side. So we're going to bring the lace end underneath the laces here and up into the empty eyelet, just like that. Brilliant. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace and we're going to bring it over and we're going to bring it into the fourth eyelet up from the bottom this time, just like this. So we're not leaving a little gap this time. And then we're going to take this lace, bring it over and bring it up into the fourth eyelet from the bottom on this side. Make sure we're going down into those eyelets from above. And now we're going to keep hold of this lace and we're going to feed it just underneath this little lace here. And we're going to bring it up into the third eyelet up from the bottom from underneath. Now this can be a little bit fiddly, but just take your time, make sure you get it right. Pause if you need to. Once we pull that one through, we're going to do the same with this one. We're going to bring it underneath this little lace here and up through the third eyelet from the bottom on this side from underneath. Great. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over and into the next available eyelet on this side. Exactly the same with the other side. Bring it over into the next available eyelet, keep a hold of it, feed it under this lace and up into the eyelet below from underneath. So that'll be the fourth one up from the bottom this time, up into it from underneath. Pull it through, grab a hold of this one and bring it up into the fourth eyelet from the bottom from underneath. You might be getting the hang of the pattern now. It is quite straightforward once you've done a few, but just keep going with me till the end. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace, bring it over into the final eyelet here, and the same with the other one, bring it over and into the top eyelet here. If your low tops have more eyelets than me, just continue the pattern exactly the same way until you reach the top eyelets as I've done here. Then you can go ahead, bow these laces as normal, but what I like to do to keep the pattern looking really fresh is just do a little bow, tuck it behind your Converse tongue, and that'll just sit on top of your foot out of the way and keep your pattern looking really crisp. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have a really awesome looking pair of diamond lace low top Converse. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me, it really helps me out, and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot, guys.